What's going on today, guys? Zack here from Gizbot, and today we're here with the Sonic Lamps. We're gonna unbox these headphones and give you a first-time impression on how they feel. So heading into the box, we're greeted with a hard-shell case which encloses your headphones. Inside the box, we're greeted with some really nice black, sleek headphones, which also comes along with adaptable charging cable along with an external mic which you can use for gaming purposes or even phone calls. Coming to the headphones are slightly on the heavier side at 320 grams, but they do still have a nice sleek finish which nicely sit on your ears and give you a nice isolated feel. These headphones use something called bone conduction technology, which basically means that the sound waves travel through your bones as opposed to through your eardrums. Going on to the side of these headphones, we have three buttons. One is your power button and the two other ones are your volume rockers, along with a slider which chooses your different modes. You have 4 modes to choose from. One is Hear, Feel, Immerse, and Beast mode. Your Hear mode gives you a total of 24 hours of battery life and is your basic mode for your everyday use. The Feel mode gives you a total of 24 hours and it works well for what I would say is your music mode. Next up, you have the Immerse mode, which gives you 10 hours of battery life, and it does live up to its name of giving you an immersive feeling. And finally, we have the Beast mode, which gives you a total of 7 hours of battery life and optimizes its inbuilt subwoofer. In terms of the specifications of these headphones, there is no official latency rating, but in case you do want a zero latency feel, you do have the option of connecting an external cable directly to your device, and you'll have the option of playing games without any latency. In terms of visual appeal, these headphones do look really nice in my opinion. They do have a nice sleek black finish and they do have a nice aesthetic. When compared to premium headphones, they do seem a little subpar when talking about the tactile features. However, it does make up for this in other aspects. Although these headphones have no official sound cancellation feature, padding does give you a nice isolated feel. All in all, that was an unboxing of the Sonic Lamps and a first impression of how they feel. Do stay tuned to Gizbot for more. I'm Zack, signing out.